our meat display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right. From left to right, we have a length of 71 inches, a depth of 33.5 inches, and height, we have 48 inches tall. Length for the front display, we have 68 inches. Coming to the front, we have the right and left swing door. Coming to the inside of the meat case will be an LED strip that runs along the ceiling. And coming to the inside, we have the center shelf, and the measurements for that shelf will include 8 inches in length, by 67 inches in length. And coming to the bottom level will be drain holes where the axes and melted ice will go. And the measurements for the bottom level will include 23 inches in depth, also by 68 inches in length. Coming to the back of the meat display, we have the sticker with the ETL information along with the specs. And coming to the top, not installed, but will include dual slide doors. So the left and right will have dual slide doors. And please note, again, the glass doors are not currently assembled for this video, but they will be included. Additional left and right compartments. With the compartment measuring 7 inches applies for the lowest point on the bottom storage compartment. And the measurements for the highest point, we have 9 inches tall. With the overall length, we have 65 inches total. And please note, on the inside of the compartment is a bar separating the left and right. Coming to the left will be the temperature controller, and on the bottom is the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.